In today's video, you will learn how to enhance quality of a photo. With this method, you can turn any kind of low quality photo from this to this. And that is coming up. Okay, as you can see, here I have a photo which is very low quality. See, there are many noise and the quality is not looking good. So let's improve and enhance quality of this photo. In order to do that, you need a Windows or a Mac computer. And after that, you need a software called upto Photo AI. You can get it from the link given in the video description below. Just install the software into your Windows or Mac computer, and after installation, open it up. With this software, you can also do a lot of great stuff, like you can generate AI portraits, you can remove background of your photo, you can remove unwanted objects from a photo, etc. In order to improve quality of your photo, select AI Enhancer and click on this blue button to choose your photo. Once your photo is added, as you can see on the right side, there are a lot of options. The first option is Face Model. This feature is used to improve quality of faces in a photo. And the second option is General Model. This is for overall. And there are many other options that you can explore by yourselves. Alright, so I'm going to go with Face Model and select whichever option you want. So I'm going to go with the first option and then click on Select Faces. If there are more than one people in your photo, then you can select all. So in this case, I have only one face, so I'm going to select it and click on Done. Now click on Preview and wait for the magic to happen. As you can see, how the software improved quality of my photo. In order to change the resolution of your photo, you can do so by clicking on this option. So I'm going to keep it at 400%, which means this low quality photo will be converted to 4K photo. Alright, in order to save this to your computer, click on Export. Once exported, click on Completed tab and click on this folder button to see your photo. As you can see, this is the photo after enhancing it. So let's compare both photos side by side. So this is the photo before and this is the photo after. So yeah, that's how easy it is. So there you have it, guys. That is how you can enhance quality of a photo. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. And also, if this video was helpful to you by any means, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For you, like and share is just a matter of clicks, but for me, it means a lot. So thank you so much if you do. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you in the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.